guys, King Noah here, and today I'm gonna be doing another video today. I'm going to show you guys how to block ads on your iPhone. So I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. But I got like two apps, the AdBlock and the ProBlock. But I'm gonna teach you guys and I'll show you how which apps what I'm talking about. So anyway, I got AdBlock Blocker Pro and AdBlock, so that's all I got. And these two apps are useful. I could like block the ads. I block social buttons, block comments, block script, block tracking, and block special fonts. And you have to only have to block those, but you don't have to worry about the block URL. And then another one, I've been just only been blocking the ads. And if you block it, it will cost like $3 um to get on because I got this and it costs like $3, so it's not so bad. It's not like of a not too much money. So yeah, so that's basically it. And I know this video is a little bit short, so yeah, this is from my iPhone. I'm not sure if it's on Android or something else, but um, if you got it, then let me know in the comments, and I will gladly to see your comments. But anyway, guys, thank you all guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.